You guys know it's our 50th anniversary of Oklahoma Gardening, and we've been celebrating that all season long during 2025. Part of that celebration is we wanted to have a 50th anniversary garden. Joining me today is Connor Schmitz, who was very instrumental in bringing this to life here. So Connor, thank you so much. Let's talk a little bit about this garden.
Yeah, so this garden was a real team effort. So, you know, the people at Oklahoma Gardening, you guys helped, you know, with the vision and with the trellis that golden jasmine vine is growing on. And then we built this raised bed here for these OKG letters to go on, and then Steve Owens was the one who's you know, gave us the plant combinations for these beds on the side. So yeah, it was kind of a lot of different people that all are integral to, you know, Oklahoma Gardening coming together to make this garden happen.
So you had a little bit of an engineering mind, and I know that it's a little more involved than just sticking them in the ground. How did you do the slope and make it to scale with the 50?
Yes, yeah. So the Botanic Garden director Lou and I, he helped me build this, but we kind of started with establishing a focal point where people would probably take pictures of it from.
Because we wanted this to be like a selfie
yeah,
area,
exactly.
Right?
Yes, yeah. And so we knew that you know, you had wanted it to be raised in the back so that you could walk behind it, but we wanted the OKG letters to be legible. So yeah, there was a lot of sketching and measuring and, you know, trying and retrying that went into it to make sure that you could read the OKG and also still see the 50 behind you and you know, stand in front of this slope here. And so yeah, we were able to, you know, make the curve and make the slope and, you know, let it all come together.
And the golden jasmine was one that Steve Owens recommended.
Yes, yeah.
But the Joseph's coat is a really great one if you're ever wanting to kind of create letters.
Yes, yeah, for sure, absolutely. It's really easy to trim and hedge, and kind of as it puts off, this golden threads puts off new growth. It's a little lime green, but then it does kind of mature to more of like a golden as the older leaves will kind of thin. And then if you shear it, it's really not a lot of time, as long as there's, you know, you're watering it, fertilizing it, nice sunshine, it will put off new growth just in a couple of days. So you really have very minimal downtime in, you know, shaping these letters, so that even whenever we make a mistake and we cut the O a little wrong on one side, which we have done, you know, as over the season, you know, it'll grow back pretty evenly.
Okay, and when we're talking about designing with color, you don't want to go all in with color because you need some contrast to it, right?
Yes,
so
absolutely.
That's sort of what we've done on the sides here, is flank it with some maroons and burgundy colors.
Yeah, so there's some like cool tones, but also some like the Alabama Sunset Coleus does pull in some of the golden tones and offset them with a contrast of red. The biggest contrast is obviously the red begonias that are there, that are a staple classic in, you know, landscaping. The purple heart has done really well. It's just like a really great plant for filling in all of the gaps that come in. And then we have purple fountain grass in the middle of each of those beds that kind of flank the OKG, and it's just some nice drama.
It gives you that thriller,
yeah,
right?
Exactly.
On the sides,
we're always looking for the thriller. Yeah.
And Connor, you didn't just design here, you went all in with the color gold, and I would really encourage people to come visit, and you've got an event coming up. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so our Garden Fest is coming up at the end of September. Last Saturday in September, Saturday the 27th, we'll have our mums and pumpkins for sale, so people can come and buy some mums and pumpkins, shop all of the vendors that we have, and come see the gardens. They'll kind of be in their peak around then.
Absolutely, and take a selfie here and tag us on it if you do. I think we should go take a selfie.
I think so.
Let's do it. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.